Hey, good morning, fellas. Sorry we're late. Sorry we're late. We that session just took a little bit longer than what I thought it would. We have officially had our first coaching session, and it was actually pretty good. It was pretty good. I think I'm officially fixed. I think he fixed me. We should be seeing all green today. We should be seeing green today, man. All right, everybody. Good morning, Timbo, Jack Wiley. Good morning, Mr. Wall Street. Yes. Oh man, before I forget, um, September 11th, man, Mike, just respect and condolences to all the victims, their families. Isn't it just crazy that it has been 24 years? I find that just almost hard to believe. Jake Dell, good morning. Tanush, Terry W. Hey, good morning, Kid Poker. And yeah, I'm sure. Also, my condolences go out to Charlie Kirk's family. Man, what a sad day. What a sad, sad day yesterday. I honestly was so shocked and just literally traumatizing watching that. Watching that unfold was literally traumatizing and just so sad. Just so sad. Like it just I don't even have the words to describe watching that unfold. I really wish I would not have seen some of the videos that I saw. It was truly disturbing. Truly disturbing. And then what I don't know, I'm not sure that like what was even more disturbing was how some people were reacting. Like, what is wrong with people? Like, what is wrong with people? It is actually it is so disgusting to me. Like, how do you respond that way when like it just makes me sad. Oh, sorry. I didn't want to I did not plan to get into this early, but it really just makes me sad. Like it really does. As a nation, as a human species, and as like just can we just some human decency. Man, just it's just terrible what happened. And then today is 9/11 as well. Honestly, so I need to yeah, it's day like yesterday and then remembering 9/11 on like a day like today, remembering 9/11 and then what happened yesterday. Oh man, I tell you what, it just it makes things just it puts things in perspective as well and just appreciate your loved ones, man. Tell people that you love them and most of all, show love. Let's not show hate. Yeah, Naruto. Exactly. It's just like we don't have it goes back to what I've said in the past. Like I've said this a lot of times is it really pains me when people cannot agree to disagree. Like it's okay. We do not if you really think about it, it is it's irrational to think that we as a human species are all going to have the same viewpoints. Like we know this. We know we are not going to have the same viewpoints. I'm sure there's people in chat that have a different viewpoint than I do. But that should not like it's okay. It's okay to have a different viewpoint. Just because you have a different viewpoint, that you do not need to hate, and especially resorting to violence of any kind is just so sad. Oh man, tell you what, it's sad. Sorry guys, I didn't want to go into this this morning, but I can't help it. Good morning, Linda. Good morning. Good to see you. Clyde, good morning. Dabda, good morning. Cole. Hey, good morning, John. My viewpoint changes often. Yeah. Yeah, Citizen Zero, very well said. Kevin H, good morning. Stefan, Avia, good morning. Yeah, I just, you know what I want? I just want people to get along. Like I just want, is that too much to ask? Just, can we just get along? All right, market. Back to we, as far as let's summarize kind of the overnight session. Lucid accounts, not, I mean, we had one mishap. One mishap. This was kind of, it was kind of stupid. It was stupid. The one Lucid account I traded right after the news, and I should not have done that. I knew it was way too volatile. Way too volatile to be trading. People do get along, and yeah, there's, and I do need to, on days like yesterday, I need to remind myself constantly that it is the I need to believe that it is the minority and a very few select people that are so deranged that they can't have empathy for someone and their family that literally was executed live. Like, I need to believe that that is the minority of people that are that deranged and that unhinged. Um, and a few bad apples, you know, I know it's just so sad to see it. It's just so sad. Look at the leader pushes. If the leader push hate, what do you think the people will do? I don't know what you mean. Hey, Melvin Bryan, today is my 8th day on my 1050K Apex. Just flip one micro, $10. Tonight I will request 20K. Oh, wow. Let's go, Melvin. That's awesome. That's awesome. Congratulations, man. Hey, good morning, Darren Koss. All right, market is, I don't know. We had a little bit of a move lower. I mean, and we're this market just goes up. I don't know what else to say. Market only goes higher. We are trying to push through the 24,000s. Obviously, that 24,000 level is going to be a pretty significant number. If we look at the daily chart, I mean, look at what is the all-time high? All-time high is 24,068.50. 24,068.50. Do I ban Fibo trader? What do you mean if I ban Fibonacci? You mean Fibonacci traders? I don't ban nobody for their trading. You can trade however you want in here. Man, the CPI news, that was pretty wild news. I was watching it and we literally wicked down and kind of, I mean, at least my chart kind of froze and we just whoop right back up. Just, I don't even know. Like, it seems like any news, whatever is happening, whatever happens, it just immediately goes, it just goes up. I don't know. I'm going to change. I mean, I tried a couple days. If you guys go back and look at yesterday and the day before, I literally tried for 2 days. I was like, okay, maybe we are going lower. I literally tried and thought, okay, maybe we go lower, and nope. So I'm like, okay, fine. Yeah, David Knight, it just saddens me. It's just so sad. And we will, I mean, I don't care. I'm not going to tolerate any kind of BS nonsense in my chat today, so just not going to tolerate it. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, Mr. Wall. Yeah, it's it's a show. You're watching a show when you watch Patrick Whelan. You have to understand that. If you watch Patrick with the perception, if you watch him with the understanding that it's just it's a show. That's what it is. Then it puts it's a little, how would I say, easier to it makes a little more sense. Whoa, why is my camera dark? What happened? Hello? Oh, there. Okay, we're back. That was weird. I appreciate it, J Trades TV. Hey, Sir Rop, what am I looking? Oh, you're putting in levels? Levels for the day. Youth 24 112s, 752s. All right. Thank you, Sir Rop. Appreciate it. I banned myself. Are you talking about Patrick? I was banned. I don't think I'm banned anymore. I don't think so. Excuse me. Hey, QK Futures Trader, how we doing? Good morning. One thing I can guarantee is that all these levels will be breached. We just don't know when. All right, market, we are above the 24,000s. I'm trying to see. I guess I didn't even notice. What? Okay, yeah, we didn't quite make new highs here. So honestly, I don't know how to trade this. I mean, what do we do? What do we do up here, chat? Chat, what do we do? Do we short up here? Yes, Sharuz. I am coached, officially coached now. We should, from now on, we should only see green on my screen. I am fixed. I am fixed. I'm just kidding. It was actually it was actually a good coaching session for sure. It really was. Hey, red is not acceptable. Oh man. Uh all right, market. What are you doing? You're man, I just have no. We're $200 red on the day. Kind of had a bad overnight session, to be honest. Last two overnight sessions took three losses in a row. It's unfortunate. Who's coaching me? Coach Tank. Coach Tank is coaching me. That's his name. But he's a coach from Tradeify. I lost so much money on my Tradeify live account that they told me I have to see a coach. That's how bad it is. And I mean, I'm not even saying it's not. I mean, it's a very fair point. It is a very, very fair point. The coach, Coach Tank, he showed me my live trading stats. I feel like that was uncalled for. That was a little bit of a low blow. I'm like, yeah, I know I suck at live trading. Don't remind me. But he wanted me to look at it. He looked deep into my soul, and he told me, without telling me, he told me, you, my friend, you suck. That's what I heard. Hey, but you know what? He also told me, you can do better. He said, I believe in you. He said, I believe in you. That we can turn this around. We can turn it around, man. Do they allow you to hold overnight? No, they do not. At least not at what level I'm at. All right, market. I mean, if we retest this 15-minute opening range high, maybe we get a. Hey, John. Good morning, John. Good to see you. Good to see you. Dean Bishop. He was not mad. He was just disappointed. It's true. It's true. He was very disappointed. I can handle someone being mad at me. I can't handle someone being disappointed in me, okay? That cuts too deep. John. John, where were you at? What are you talking about? I've been here for 30 minutes, John. Where have you been? Were you working? Don't give me that BS. I know you weren't working. I love you, John. All right, market, come on. Give me a pullback. And let's ride this train up to the 24,100s. Yes, the coach was from Tradeify. Yep. He had no idea that I have a YouTube channel, by the way. No idea. I didn't even tell. I told him I'm an influencer and I have a YouTube channel. I don't think he knows who I am. I don't think he knows my channel name. At least I hope so. I want to be able to freely talk about my coach without thinking that he's watching. So hopefully we're good. Guess we'll find out. Flirting with the idea of trading off a higher time frame. I see. Things seem so much clearer. The 2 minutes always seems to make me place my stop in the wrong spot. So, I mean, it's interesting you say that because for the longest time, I actually was starting to I was starting to look at the 5-minute chart, and there are definitely times when the 5-minute chart just seems a little bit cleaner. But I haven't fully committed to making the change yet. I just, it looks, I guess I'm just so used to the 2-minute. All right, we are trying to push through the 24,020s. And she just keeps going higher. It's crazy. Trading is boring today. Did I get any good tips from him? Yeah, I did. It was actually a really good session. In all seriousness, it was a good session. It was a good session. We have 2 more sessions. We have 2 more sessions. Did I share my secret weapon with Coach Tank, Ben, and Rose? I did not. Shoot, I forgot. Coach, oh, come on. Coach Dakota. Come on. Oh.
So tempted to retake that.
Oh, man. So bad job numbers, unemployment higher, PPI higher. Yeah, Jonathan. And meanwhile, the markets were just like, that don't matter. You know why? I think the worse the numbers, the market doesn't want terrible numbers, but they also don't want great numbers. They want just kind of bad numbers. That way the rate cuts don't get tampered with. That's my personal take. That's just my personal opinion. Is it an actual coach? Yes, it is an actual coach, Orlando. He has a real face. He's real. He's in the flesh. It isn't. I mean, that's how I look at it. It's literally the market. In my opinion, if we would have came out with really, really good numbers, the market would have gone lower. I think it would have, because then a rate cut maybe is delayed or paused or whatever. I don't know. That's just my, 8th grade education opinion. So take it with a grain of salt. All right, market. We are retesting the 15-minute opening range. Are we going to, you know what? I'm going to take micros here. Oh, I don't know why I'm so scared to buy this little pullback, but I am. I'm definitely scared. But we gotta, I mean, this is what we said we wanted to get. So I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it. If we're wrong, well, guess we'll cross that bridge when we get there. All right, market. I believe you know what you need to do now. You need to rip it. Come on, market. Don't be difficult, please. I want to have one day with the market where we just get along. Okay? I just want to get along, market. I don't want to be mad. I just want to be happy. But we're going to have her stop. Man, that stop is insane. We're going to have to put her stop right here. Give me a rip. Come on. Come on, market. Seriously. Well, my target, we will adjust it. This is just a temporary. My targets would be the 440. 24040s would be the reasonable target, but I want to take half off up here at the double top. In my opinion, that's what I want to do, but we might just get stopped out. Who knows? Now it's, I don't like. This is not good. Not good at all. That's unfortunate. Unfortunate. Looks like we're heading lower. I have no comment. No comment. No comment, market. No comment. No comment, sir. I thought the coach fixed me, but he did. I obviously didn't. I want my money back. Wait, it was free. Yeah, I actually didn't even think about that 11 a.m. reversal because I kind of lost track of time. It didn't feel like it was already 11 o'clock, but here we are. You know what? Coach told me if you took a good entry and you took a good trade, then you shouldn't be upset if it's a loss. Then I'm not upset. I'm happy. I'm happy. Did I see the level? I did earlier. 24,112, 23,752. What are we doing all the way down here? 752s? Oh, you mean the high-low max. Got it. Yeah, I'm very happy. You can, I'm happy. You just can't see it on my face currently. But I'm happy inside. Inside, I'm happy I took a loss. I'm trying, Coach Tank. I'm trying. Don't say I didn't try. Larry says, you're happy and I want to sell you some beachfront property in Arizona. That's too. Poor Coach Tank is going to catch a lot of strays. Oh, it's unfortunate for him. He's not even here to defend himself. Is this going to be it? I don't trust it now. I can't trust this. We cannot trust it. His name is Coach Tank. Just Tank. T-A-N-K. That's it. How many contracts is everybody trading on the 50Ks? Oh, man, I don't know. For me, it was 4 micros. But hey. John, they pay that guy to give that type of advice. That's right, John. Make sure your account does not tank. I get it. I get it. Okay. All right. Regroup. 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 We're happy today, guys. We're happy. We're happy we took a loss. You know why? Because it was a good loss. Okay? It was a good loss. I think. You know what? I would be happier? I would be happier if I took a short trade. That's the facts. Coach Dakota, better advice. Try to get away with hedging. Johnny. No comment, sir. No comment. Wait, Sharuz. What was your joke? I didn't see it. What was the joke? I didn't see it. Oh yeah. Yes, I got it, Sharuz. I got it. I do miss some comments. Just a couple. Just a couple. All right, market. I'm getting very tempted again. Somebody take away. Somebody needs to take away my mouse. I do like this entry, though. I mean, you can't lie. This is a good entry. Okay? You cannot dispute this. This has to be a good entry, right? Rip it! Oh, man. Please don't let me down twice, market, but I am going to be happy regardless of the outcome. Does not matter the outcome. I will be happy. Okay? I don't need to win. I don't care if I win. I will be happy regardless. Woosah. Also, I think he said something about playing Ben and Rose if I feel myself getting any kind of upset. Just play Ben and Rose and your problems will all disappear. I like that. I like it. Please go above this the 24,000 again. Come on, market. Don't let me down. But if you don't, I'm still going to be happy. I will be happy even if you go lower now. Even you can go lower now and I'll still be happy, market. I promise. I promise I'll continue to be happy. See, I'm still happy. Man, this is hard. I don't know, guys. I'm trying over here. I'm trying. I'm still happy, market. You can do whatever you want. I'm still happy. Yay, you want to go lower? Yay. It's so fun. It's fine. You don't have to hit my profit target, market. I don't care. You can do whatever you want. There you go. Good job, market. You did it. I knew you could do it. I knew you could do it, market. I believed in you. Oh, you're so awesome. I don't know, guys. I'm trying out my. This is a new me. This is a new me, freshly coached and a different person. You love to see it. You love to see it, man. Stupid Fed tool showed a 50% cut after that number. When I got long, all the asshats having wet dreams about a rate cut. John, John. I think you need to exercise your inner happiness. Are you on drugs? Well, you know what? That's a fair question. I do not even know that. Maybe I am, maybe I'm not. But right now, I'm just happy. So happy right now. I'm very happy right now. Keep going. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for yelling, Mark. I did not mean to yell. I'm really sorry. I take that back. Maybe the key is we have to speak softly to the market. The market doesn't like when I yell at it. I'm starting to think we just take our profit here. Please. There we go. We're happy. We're happy, guys. We're happy. We're back. We're back where we started. We're back where we started the day. Now, from here on out, we're just going to take happy trades. Tony Sharu, Tony Robbins was the coach. Ooh. You remind me of the movie Shallow Hall. Shallow Hall. Shallow Hall. Let me search it. Doesn't ring a bell. Oh, you talking about Shallow Hal. Shallow Hal. Yeah, I think I have watched. Yeah, it has Jack Black. It has Jack Black in it. I think I did see that. Whoa, that was way long ago. When did that come out? 2001. Oh, that's a good one. Shallow Hal. Yep. Dusty Edwards, the coach is watching stream holding a clipboard and checking off his failed pass sheet. I feel like that's partially true. If he found my channel, he 100% is taking notes right now. And I'm about to get ripped a new one when I have my next session with him. And the guy was brainwashed to see the ugly faces as hot chicks. I remember. Shallow Hal. Man, the movies that people come up with is crazy. All right, we just continuing higher now. I guess I should have held probably, but oh well. Oh well. Getting us off the gold standard. Another chance to reshort ES at 6588. Oh. Oh man, I remember the Greenspan. Greenspan. I wasn't. I was trading a little bit during that time, and I remember. I do remember that. Uh, all right, we're getting right at the 2410s. What time? It's so weird. It seems like it's only 10 o'clock, but I forget that I got on at 10:15. I need to go grab my water. Hey, we're back. All right. Market continues to just go up. Hey, up $600 on the dot, and you're done for the day. Yes, Orlando. That sounds like a great, great idea. Yeah, it is. I mean, it's true. Our economy, our markets are literally rigged to go higher. It is true. I agree. It is literally rigged that we just keep going up. Judas Joe, why you tempting me like this? You just want to see the world burn. All right, double topping up here before we get through the 20s. Hmm. All right. Looks. Are we gonna double top, or is this just a little pullback? Kind of tempting if we pull back to this 15-minute opening range here. I think I'm gonna take a trade. If we do, if not, I'm just gonna let it go. Let's see if we come on. I kind of want to see this pull back to the below the 400s here. Hey, look who's here. Good morning, Design Knob. Joom is here, folks. What's the best way to get in touch with you? Do you have a Discord account? I'm working on something. I wanted to see if you'd be interested in promoting it. I mean, you can reach out through my email. That's the best way. It is nuttybar1983@gmail.com. Melvin Bryan, how to walk away when you already secure 4,400, 8 data requests, 20K, but want to trade like this is some kind of drug for us to gain. Don't do it, Melvin Bryan. I'm warning you. Unplug that machine. It isn't worth it, man. Just unplug your machine and give your power cord to your wife and tell her not to give it back until tomorrow. Don't make me come in there and smack you. All right, looks like we are trying to break above the 20s here. Let's see if we can get going. Hey, Vincent Ella, good morning. Dean Bishop, have the coach call him. Yeah, we do have the 40s up here as the high. Was it right? Yeah, basically right here, the 20s is definitely going to be some resistance. Let's see if it keeps going. What happens when the hubby won't listen to the wife? Oh, yeah, that's a different kind of problem. That's a different kind of problem right there. Coach Knob. Everybody's turning into a coach all of a sudden. I don't know what to make of this. No, do you know if this is a glitch? My failed take profit trader eval got rebuild and reset, but I also received an additional reset credit into my account. Huh. Sounds doesn't sound like a glitch to me. I think I would use that reset about as quickly as possible. All right, let's see if we can get the 20s. Let's see if we get through this 20. I feel like if we get through it, it's gonna pop and rip straight through the to the 40s. But we could just reject from here. We're just gonna try to be more patient. Yesterday, one of my main problems was I had a theory, I had a setup that I wanted to see, and then I would try to front run the setup, and it ended up hurting me every single time. Yeah, it's just your rewards. Frozen North, that's right. Frozen North. Yep. You know, John, I'm not really I'm kind of looking forward to the winter. All right, Allie, I'll take a look at it. Terry 88. All right, there she goes, breaking through the 20s. Now let's see if we can get a continuation here. Man, I wish I would have just held that. Those 5 micros, those 5 remaining micros, should have held those. Should have held. Trying to push through the 30s now. There it is. Trying to push through it. Just appear like today is one of those days where I just don't want to go short. It is anytime I feel like anytime that we have the opening push lower and we never even really test the overnight lows and we just keep going higher, it's like it's just set up for a buy the dips kind of day. Yeah, Kevin G. I agree. No, that was kind of uncalled for. When it is below 0 and you're in your pool, I will be calling you unkind things. Please forgive me now. I do apologize. And also to be clear, we don't have a pool. Wow, look at that. There we go. The 24040s. There she goes. This is I was afraid of that. I was afraid of that. Yep, there she goes. Now we're just going to sit here, twiddle our thumbs, and I guess what? We just wait for a pullback and we jump in, right? I don't know what else to do. I'm definitely not going to short this. Did I see the latest FFF video? Dakota bragging about his pick. What? Wait, FFF. Oh, the okay, now I get it. Now no, I haven't, John. I need to do that. I need to at least watch that section. That will tickle me. That will tickle me. Judas Joe. Oh man. What a move higher. Wow. Oh, come on, market. This is where I'm always curious, guys. I'm always curious and interested to see how do you guys trade all-time highs? Like when you can't look left, Like, how do you trade all-time highs? Is it just do people really just look for shorts at like maybe psychological levels, like the even numbers, or do people just keep buying until proven otherwise? Snowman says you don't trade. Okay. Round numbers, that makes sense. Buy and buy and hope. Pivot points, that makes sense. Never short all-time highs. It can always go higher. That's what I learned. Exactly. Trade long into round numbers from under old lows. Okay, that makes sense. Buy the bullish bars at EMA. That's what I do. I like that. That makes sense. Yeah, wait for trade other markets. That's a good idea too. Use the fibs. I guess, yeah, you could use the fib extensions. So extensions, measured moves, and a secret mathematical formula. Ooh. Yeah, I like, I don't, yeah, I mean, that makes, I like, those are some good thoughts. That's why I keep you guys around. You guys actually do come up with some good ideas every now and then. I'm just kidding. You guys are always have great ideas. Quad to statistics to take quick scalps. You trade 28 futures markets? Are you serious, Danush? 28. That's crazy. Magic 8 Ball is great for all-time highs. Set a 3-minute, a 3.5 factor super trend, wait for a pullback near that, and follow the trend on the trendy day. Copy that. That's interesting, Tanush. Hey, you've been killing it, Tanush, so whatever you're doing, keep doing it. How was my coaching session, Kevin G? It was great. It was great. I actually had a good, it was a good coaching session for sure. All right, now we're getting like for me, I kind of want to see us pull back into this 20 level, at least maybe like sweep the 20s and then enter on a nice bullish candle. I'm basically want to do, that's what I'm going to wait for. All right, now this is where I need to exercise my patience glands. I gotta actually wait till we actually sweep the 20s. We have to sweep the 20s, and then I look for an entry. Way too often I've been trying to front run the entry, and then I get wrecked. Even if this now goes higher, I'm okay with it. I'm not going to chase it. I am not going to do it. Here is a free one from Calculator 24,119. Are you saying for a pullback bounce, Mr. Wall Street? Because I really like that idea. That's like perfect for what I want. Oh man, that's such a tempting entry there. Oh, somebody hold me. I just want to go long. Somebody hold me. Put it in your chart and see what happens when we get there. Right here. All right, you know what? I'm going to do it. Let's mark it on the, we'll mark it on right here. Whoops, hang on, hold on. Let me actually get a line. There we go. We've done it. We've done it, chat. All right, let's get down touch. And then I probably need to wait for an actual, do we just blindly buy off that level? Or do we wait for a bullish candle for an entry? No, 24. Oh, I'm sorry. One night. Oh, never mind. Hold on. 24, 119. Okay, I'm sorry, Mr. Wall Street. I do struggle with dyslexia at times, so please forgive me. All right, 24, 119. There she goes. That's our target. Are we saying that we're waiting to see once we get there and we're waiting to short? Or are we saying just blindly buy, we'll eventually get there? I said this called 937. I know, I remember, Sarap. It's fine. It's okay. Sarap said 24 112s. Fine, Sarap. I don't want to get anybody offended in here. Let me put your line up as well, okay? 112s. See how much of a difference? I'll make yours a different color. I want you kids to get along. I'll make yours this color, okay? There we go. Now everything's going to be fine. Not buy will be tough to get through. 24,069 will be tough to get through. Okay, who else wants a line? Who else wants a line? They're free. Oh dear, we are cooked, chat. We are cooked. If we start putting lines for everyone in chat, then we're gonna have to label all the lines. Ugh. You get a line, you get a line, you get a line. Everybody gets a line. And you all get it for free. Oh man, we are so done. We're gonna, this is, by the end of the day, we're just gonna have a chart, not even visible. It's gonna be full of lines. But we never did get down to the 20s. This is making me super sad. Super sad. Oh no, wait. I'm not sad. I'm not sad. I'm happy. I'm sorry, I misspoke. I meant to say I'm super happy. We're all happy here, and I'm just trying to wait. I'm happy I waited. I'm happy I missed this move. Is there a video you have showing everything you're using for trading? No, I don't have any video like that. I don't know enough what I'm doing myself that I don't feel like it's productive to do a video of it. If that makes any sense. We're just over here pushing buttons. You know, we're just pushing we're just randomly pushing buttons. All right, retesting the highs. Retesting those highs. Man, today really, it really looks like one of those guys where we are just going higher. Did I buy the straight to funded? Yes, I did, Tom. Yes, I did. I puckered up, I closed my eyes, and I just pressed the button, and it hurt. It hurt a little bit. Where can I download the hope and nope indicator? That is more of a mental, it's in your mind. It's just in your mind. 24,068, but I got 61. 21,248 is the next one above that. Man, that's okay. That's fair. I'm curious, Wall Street, Mr. Wall Street. What kind of levels are you seeing, like, to the downside? Hmm. What new meme is going to replace the Fire Elmo now? I don't know. I think the Elmo's sufficient. All right, maybe we did not make new highs right here, so this is always where we got to be a little careful. If we don't make new highs and then we start to go lower, we do have that 11 o'clock reversal hour is here, so honestly, you know what I just want a day where we just go higher. I'm down for a day like that. I am totally down. Above 24,015, she's good, but 24,069 will be a short with 5 hands. In other words, I would not be buying up here. Yeah, I mean, I agree. I don't want to buy up here. If it creeps into 069, a great short. If it needs to rapidly get there, copy that. Copy that. Roger, Roger. The CFD chart has made new all-time highs. I see. K Trader, I do want it to keep going higher, but I want to make sure today I don't try to front run my entries. We're going to be patient. Don't tempt me, chat. Ugh. Man, come on. I'm not doing it. Good morning, Freddy Yeager. Good morning. Yeah, I know what you mean, Sirop. I know what you mean. Design knob. Fear not. Shameless new highs are on the horizon. We all know it's to be true. If we do get a break above the old high, I think the ultimate or new high will be 155 based on past performance. I think we get another nice pullback. I don't mind a nice pullback. What I am going to struggle with is if we all of a sudden just rip lower and remake new lows, like if we go down below and retest like the 910s. Honestly, if we break this down, if we break this uptrend, I'm kind of worried. Like where? Right here. Like if we break this uptrend by, quite like a big margin, then I'm kind of worried. But here we go. Everybody hold on. Hold on. See what happens if we test the 20s here. I'm going to wait for a bullish candle before I enter, though. I'm not just going to blindly buy the 20s. Let's see if we can get that push lower. Here we go. I'm nervous. Here we go. 20s have been touched. The 20s are being tickled right now. Man, it's gonna test me. It's going to test me here. All right, we have our entry. I mean, we gotta follow through with it. We have our entry, exactly what we wanted. So we gotta take this trade, even if we don't want to. If we get filled. If we get filled. Which it looks like we will. But maybe not. Maybe not. If it hits the 15s, yeah, I mean, it would actually be kind of good just to wick. If it would just wick down below the 20s, like into the 15s, like a volatile rip lower, and then just like a springboard rip back up. Let's see if it happens. All right, we might not get filled here. It's okay if we don't. At least I'm not getting wicked in and then it goes lower. Past 11 o'clock, we didn't have any fall. Well, we did kind of. We did make new highs right here after 11. 11 o'clock would be right here. We did make new highs once. This is a little bit concerning that we didn't make new highs on this push up, but I'm not that worried about it yet, in my opinion. Okay, I might cancel this. I think I'm going to cancel this, to be honest. Let's wait for that next bullish candle here. All right, testing the 18s. Hey, there it goes. 16s. Are we gonna see this rip now? I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep that order. Hey, let's go, Almighty. Good morning. Good to see you. Yeah, you are correct, Mr. Wall Street. It is lunchtime hour, and the follow through here is not great. That is a very good point. Wow, look at that. Down we go. Testing the 10s now. Okay, now we're definitely not interested. We just wait now. Here we go. We might want to retest that 24,000 level. Let's see what happens if we test the 24,000s here. Is this the sweep? I think I'm gonna I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for a couple reasons. It's lunchtime, low volume, and I feel like this is always where we start to just bleed lower. It's so frustrating to try to buy these pullbacks when we do that. I don't know. Hey, let's go, Mr. Wall Street. Let's go. Good luck. Good luck, my friend. Cameron Fisher, let's do a duck race. Maybe we can do a duck race at some, I don't know. We'll see. All right, let's see if we get the rip here, or is this just going to slowly bleed lower? Right now, we need more volume. We need more momentum here. We needs to rip. I've seen this movie too many times where we just slowly bleed out over lunch. I might actually go grab a bite to eat right now. That's not a terrible idea. I think I'm actually going to do that. I'm going to go grab a quick bite to eat, and I will be right back. Hey, we're back. Look at that. We are back. Oh, man. Should have stayed. I knew if I leave, this is going to happen. I just knew it. Oh, man. That's unfortunate. Well, it is what it is. We are about to retest these highs. Man, we really just... Ugh. We missed it. We missed it. There's no other way to put it. When you went to the BDH, what did you learn from Patrick's strategy, Cameron Fisher? I mean, I don't really think I learned anything specifically. I mean, I understand his strategy pretty well, so I didn't really go there to learn anything, I guess, or learn his strategy. I mean, the one thing I think that I guess you could say learned was to have more conviction on my setups. Not my setups, but if I call out something and if I see something, then take it. That's probably what I learned more than anything. Mr. Wall Street, I told you. Yes, you did. What was for lunch? I had some ham and cheese. Ham and cheese and a blueberry muffin. That was really, really good. Okay, are we just gonna go higher? Man, I'm just not gonna buy up here. I'm just not gonna do it. Even though I gotta remind myself. There's still plenty of time in the day. We're gonna get plenty more setups. Just gotta be patient. I entered at 25, held through the drawdown, and still holding for 50s. Hey, good luck, Peter. Good luck. I mean, I don't... Right now, there's no reason to think that we won't just keep going higher. So if you're long, then obviously you're doing it right. I think you just hold. Seems pretty simple. How many sim funded 100K accounts can you have with MFU? So you can only have 3 of the 100Ks. You can have 5 of the 50Ks, but only 3 of the 100 or 150s. Which prop firms have daily payouts like Tape Profit Trader, Kenneth? The only other prop firm that has daily payouts that I'm aware of is Trade Day. I believe Trade Day is the only one, as far as I know. What would lunch have been back when you were Amish? I don't know. Pretty much the same. The Amish don't really have a. I don't know. I pretty much eat the same things that I did back then. Blue Sky. Okay, I didn't know that. So Blue Sky has daily payouts on the sim funded environment or on the live environment. Can you give me Tradify's rules for an evaluation and payout? So for the growth or advanced accounts, you basically have your profit target that you need to hit and a 35% consistency rule, and that is basically it. Okay, I see, David. I did not know that. And blue, good to know. When is the next trade so we can listen to that song? Well, I don't know. I guess you gotta wait. Gotta wait and find out. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Wow, we are just going sideways right now. Very, very tight range here. Last 10 minutes. My backyard shed is on the verge of collapsing. You got any Amish connections to get a good deal on replacement? I mean, here in Holmes County, like here in Ohio, there's a lot of people that build sheds. I don't know if they're really like, I don't know if they're like competitive with pricing or not, but I would assume they would be. But there's all kinds of options. You can have 5 accounts, David. Oh, are you saying you can only have 3 with Blue Sky? Okay. Or were you asking about Tradify? So Tradify, you can have 5 accounts. You can have 5 accounts, David. I see. I'm trying to see. I don't know if that would be considered. I mean, I'm trying to think. Some of them have, if some of them have websites and you can look. Got a feeling we're gonna have to be very, very patient today. Hey, Rob, did you get Rise set up? Finally came back to me and said my account is rejected. Okay, you're setting up on plane instead? Okay, wow. Well, keep us informed, Rob Freeman. I hope you get your plane set up and it all resolved. All right, trying to pull back a little bit here. Man, it is concerning that we did not make new highs. That is a little bit concerning. Watch to see if 23 holds. Yeah, I'm kind of interested in this 20s right here. Captain Crunch. You need to do a flight sim. You need to, you need the break. Oh man. Let's see if we get through the, let's see if we make new highs. We got to make new highs. We got to. All right, we are trying to make new highs. Can we do it? All right, here we go. I expect this to pop if it gets through this. But right now, lunchtime hour, this might just chop back and forth. And now we go straight back. Let's see. This might get pretty boring. I don't know. This might get pretty boring from now until, I don't know, 3 o'clock. Oh, I'm not sure I'm going to be, I'm not sure I want to be here for it. I kind of want to. I want to. I want to. And right back down we go. You think we're reaching all-time highs, P Shenanigan? I wouldn't be shocked. If I'm not affiliated with Repliconda anymore, I see you show affordable indicators. I show affordable indicators for their account dashboard. I actually still use Replicanto for my trade copying. I have found Replicanto to be more consistent. Just had fewer issues with them. So, yeah, that is who I'm using. And right back down we go. Come on, man. This is gonna be... Oh, you know what I should do? Like, this is where I really should shut down and then just maybe come back and trade Power Hour, because I don't know. I can definitely feel myself. I just need to, like, when things get boring, then you take trades because you're bored. I hate that. Do I have a code? Oh, man. I think Ace Undercover, I think Nutty Bar 20 will get you 20% off. If it, I think it does, if they still have it active. If you want to try that, Ace Undercover, I'd appreciate it. Not sure that's a joke. Joom is the risk manager for Nutty Bar. No, David Knight. Joom is an inside joke. Joom created a prop firm, and then he just disappeared. That's what the joke is all about. He just disappeared. Boof. Oh, I don't know, man. I might. Let's see if we... Man, I just don't know what I'm even looking for here with this. We're just going sideways. Here's the worst thing that could happen. The worst thing that can happen is we just start bleeding lower. If we just start bleeding lower, I'm trying to determine if I want to lock myself out for the day, or do I want to wait and just walk away and come back for power hour and see where we're at on power hour, maybe. Just don't really like this right now. If you cannot control your emotions, the market will control your account. Facts. Those are facts. So 1:30 on what time zone? So, oh, sorry, I don't have my clock. So it is right now. It is 12:30. It's 12:30 Eagle Eye where I'm at, and this is the Eastern time zone. Yeah, I always think the same thing, Mr. Wall. If I'm contemplating locking out, it probably means I should. The only reason, actually, you know what I should check? I wonder if I can do this. I haven't thought about this until, you know what? I might ask QuantGuard to see if this is an option. You know what I would like to do right now? I wish I could lock myself out from now until 2:30. Like, if I could lock myself out for 2 hours, that's really what I want to do. Like, I don't want to trade from now until 2:30, 3 o'clock, but 3 o'clock, I feel like there might be some good trades by then, but I don't think I have that option right now. I'm pretty sure that Miles could do that. That wouldn't help the tilt people using it. Yeah, I mean, I want to just have it as an option. Yeah, I don't know. Design knob. I wish I could lock myself out for 10 years. Oh dear. All right, oh man, now see this is a problem right here. This is a big tantalizing, this is a test of my will. I'm not going to do it. I'm going to lock myself out. I'm going to see if I can lock myself out for 2 hours. I wonder if you can use the no trade settings. I could probably do that. I'm going to see. But all right, I think I'm going to call it. I'm going to call it here and walk away. There is a chance if I can find a way to lock myself out for 2 hours and come back for power hour. Maybe I'll stream power hour just for the fun of it. A duck race, Trent? We'll do a duck race when we get to 18,000 subs. Right now, I don't have any accounts to give away. Or I would. 10 years. That's funny. All right, guys. Okay, it's under maintenance currently. Got it. All right, guys. I think I'm going to call it. Maybe I come back for power. Maybe not. Either way, we'll be here tomorrow. We will be here tomorrow at your regular scheduled programming. And, yeah, I think I'm making the right choice. I think I'm making the right choice. All right, everybody. Take care. Appreciate it. And, we'll be back tomorrow. Take care. And also, yeah, let's always remember 9/11 and praying for Charlie Kirk and his family. Prayers to him. Man, still just hard to believe what happened yesterday. Condolences to his family. And take care, everybody. Let's choose love instead of hate. Take care, and God bless.